Hey, buddy. What you doing? Stand him up.
Alex. Oh, he looks so cute like that.
Oh.
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 Oh. Stand him up.
Go walk to Daddy.
Come here, bud. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Alex.
Come on, bud. You go see the doggy? Huh? You go see the doggy? Janie, get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Go get your ball, Janie.
Hey, Alex.
Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Good girl.
Man,
Good girl.
that tree is buried.
Yeah, it is.
There we go.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Where's your ball, Janie? Where's your ball?
It's like every time he grabs something, he tries to throw it and he can't because it just sticks to his hand.
Hey, bud.
He's gonna try and grab it. That's just so cute.
Oh. Get your ball, Janie. Get your ball. Go get your ball. What's mommy doing? Hey, can you say hi to Omi and Opa? Say hi. Oh. Yeah. See if you can put him over there in a deeper section. Yeah, a little cutie.
Right there where it's clean.
What's he doing?
Yeah, I'll put him there. That's clean. Alright, now let's go over here. Janie.
Jenny, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Alright, Jane, alright.
Take some more pictures.